Good morning, my name is Matthew from Axel, and today I'm making a short video to explain the load balance info parameter, how to get it, what to do with it. So to start off with, to show my general layout here, this is a screenshot of my DNS. So I have a broker and two RDS servers, RDS1 and RDS2. So here's a screenshot of the console of my terminal server. So here we have collection AX desks, which has two servers in it and will be accessed via remote desktop. So now from the Axel terminal, I'll quickly run through the configuration. English keyboard. I'm not using DHCP. So I will enter the broker DNS name or IP address. And I will leave the load balance info blank for the time being to see what happens. So when I connect, if I press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-I, I can see up here through the IP address that I'm in fact connected to the broker, which obviously is not correct because the broker should be directing my connection to either RDS1 or RDS2. So this is where the load balance info parameter comes in. So the parameter to put at the end of the default prefix is the name of the collection. So in my case it was AX minus desks. If I quit and save that. So if I now do a Ctrl-Alt-Shift-I, I can see through the IP address I'm now connecting to 192.168.1.233, which is one of my two terminal servers. So now the broker is behaving as required and is directing my connection by the broker onto one of the terminal servers. You can also find the value of the load balance info if you connect via a PC and look at the .rdp file. Then the load balance info parameter should be in there, and also if you look in the registry you'll find it in there. But the easy solution is to simply put the collection name after the prefix, which is already in the Axel configuration. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please contact your usual Axel source. Thank you very much. Bye for now.